1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. This is the conversion of volume. If we are going from liter to milliliter, we have to multiply. If we are going to a smaller unit, if we are going to a bigger unit, we have to divide. The relation is 1000. That is, whenever we go towards the milliliter, that is the smaller unit, we move our decimal towards the right side. But when we go from milliliter to liter to a bigger unit from a smaller unit, our decimal moves towards the left side. Here are few examples for you. When we shall go to a smaller unit, we shall multiply and our decimal will move towards the right side. And when we shall go to a bigger unit, we shall divide and our decimal will move towards the left side. As the relation between liter and milliliter is of 1000, so when we go from liters to milliliters, we will multiply with 1000, and right now we have 83.15, so this decimal will move towards the right side 3 digits. As there are 2 digits present, so we shall create 10 of our own and our answer will be 83,150. Similarly, here we have 73 liter. So right now our 0 is here. We have to move it towards the right side 3 digits and our answer will be 73,000, or in other words 73 liter is equals to 73,000 milliliter. As 1 liter is 1000 milliliter, so 73 liter will be 73,000 milliliter. 30125 ml, and we are now going towards the liter, so we have to divide it with 1000, and when we shall divide with 1000, our decimal will move towards the left side. As when we divide, our digit becomes smaller, so our decimal will move towards the left side. Right now the decimal is here. We shall move it 3 digits, 1, 2, 3, and our answer will be 30.125 liter, or in other words 30,125 milliliter will be 30 liters and 125 milliliter. Same here. Right now our decimal is after 1 digit. We are going towards a bigger unit. We shall move it 3 digits backward, and as we have only 1 digit here, so we shall create 2 zeros of our own and our answer will be 0.00396. The last one, liter to milliliter, going towards the smaller unit. When we go towards the smaller unit, decimal moves towards the right side and our absolute value or the digit becomes bigger. So this is, instead of 32.175, it is 32,175. Few more examples. 1.99 liter to milliliter. Liter to milliliter, you are going towards a smaller unit, you will multiply with 1000. Your decimal is right now is after 1. It will move 3 digits and it will be after 9 and another 0. Your answer will be 1990, because 2 digits here and there are 3 decimals, 3 zeros, so you have to move 3 decimals. Your final answer will be 1990. Here you are going from milliliter to liter. Going towards a bigger unit, you have to divide, or you have to move your 0 from here 3 units back, so your answer will be 90.018, or simply the relation is of 1000. When you go towards the smaller unit, your decimal moves towards the right, and when you go towards the bigger unit, your decimal moves towards the left. Both times it has to move 3 units.